just to show a close-up view of the technique for taking on and putting on the coil springs. I've already lined this one up as shown in the previous video, but just take you a flathead screwdriver, kind of slide it underneath the hook and roll it off is the easiest way that we've kind of found to do it. So pops off just like that, and then to put it back on, just hook it into the holes there on the seat frame to line it up, and take it and just do the opposite. Roll it on the grid spring like that, and just take a screwdriver and roll it right on there. Sometimes you do have to just take your hand and line the coil spring up like that. So showing this one here. And that restores the tension on the grid spring there. That way the seat frame, the seat foam won't actually fall down in between the frame, causing the sink to actually sink down.